Almost at Great Wolf Lodge, guys.
Almost there.
That's Mason. Bailey.
What are you doing? Intersection.
Stop.
You guys are bad.
No, did my phone seriously just die?
I think it did.
When you try to take a video, but
That
your
is
phone
not
dies.
fair. My iPad. I'm just recording with my iPad.
Don't you dare. Kaylin,
What's the problem with that?
I don't want to be live.
We're not going live.
Just saying. This one. I just found one we can do.
There's something in my eye.
We're almost at
Listen,
Great
I
Wolf
found one we
Lodge.
can
Oh,
do.
crap, I
Music
can't.
thing.
We're not doing one together.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, I'm sure. I don't want to do a music video.
Sure.
Yes, I am. You do not. No. Okay, here we go. Is that it?
Shut.
No, it's not. Oh, it's what that. Dude, we're here. Guys, we're here. Wow. Are we doing the obstacle course?
No, it's kind of cold outside. Can I show you the tornado? I'm so sorry. I'm serious.
That's huge.
I'll show you the tornado, okay?
Oh my god, I know what it looks like, Charlie.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
What does it look like?
It's that like reddish orange thing. I don't know what color it is. It's like
No.
reddish orange. I'll show you when we get there.
This is the back. You know that, right?
But it's really cool. Look how huge this thing is, though. Oh, my phone just died. Pills.
No!
Mom, leave your hand! Oh my gosh.
Sorry, my
See,
face.
it's that tornado, that red, yellow thing. Up
Yeah,
there.
there's my precious.
That's the tornado. Famous YouTubers have been here.
Here's the Gaylord over here to the left.
Oh yeah, my precious.
Wait, is that Legoland?
No,
Where's Lego?
it's not near here. What is
Yes,
but?
it was.
No, it isn't. No, I never. That was someone else.
Look, it's Great Wolf Lodge.
Great Wolf Lodge, guys. And then
Look, there's a
I
tornado.
think they can't see it.
Do you even care how huge this is?
You can be in Nashville, I can be in France.
Oh my gosh, this is
Oh my God! Yes, it is. Legit.
crap. I wish my phone would be dead right now.
I can send you this video.
But I want to take a video.
No.
Whoa! What floor are we going to be?
As I was right.
They take the car for us?
Just cause stop being stupid.
you're in. No, I'm not being stupid. This is really cool.
I didn't say anything. Say bye.
Bye.
YouTube.
This is not.
Bye, YouTube.